Yo, my people, it's your boy Willzwick, Mr. Wick and More. Cash those pips, Mr. No Gimmicks, just growth. You know what I'm saying? But yo, listen. So I hope you all had a good trading week. Hope you all got some wicks and some pips. You know. Without further ado, let's get back into it. So I'm gonna talk to you guys about two trades that I took this week on US30. Nice and sweet. I'm gonna keep it short. Ain't nothing too long. I ain't gonna hold you up. Cause even me, look at the time right now. Wrong time I'm recording this. It's 2 a.m. over here, man. But yeah. Anyway, boom. So the first trade, I took a trade on Wednesday and I took a trade on Thursday. Now, personally, with me, when Sundays come, I do my setups, mark my setups a little bit here. Mondays, and then Monday I kick back. I don't really like trading on Mondays due to the fact that I burn myself a lot on Monday. So I'd rather just sit down. When it comes to Mondays, I'd rather just sit down and just see what the market does. And then Tuesday, that's when you start seeing more movements as the market start getting more volatile. But yeah, Friday and then Wednesday I took the trade on Wednesday and I took a trade on Thursday. And as I look like, if you look at myself, like I'm gonna explain. Don't worry, I'm gonna explain. But yeah, I could have taken a trade here on Friday, but Friday I wasn't on the charts. This week, so you know what I mean. But yeah, I could have banked in there. But anyway, without further ado, let's go back to it. So I took a trade on the 5-minute imbalance that right here that I marked right over here, so right there. I took the, as you can see, mark that box up there. So now you got the 50%. You got the 50% of that box over there. That's the gold. That would have been the sniper entry right here, but you know what I mean. I took it here on the exit of that box. Took that trade. All the way up to here. I risked about 2%. What I done two trades, so two trades. I risked 2% each, so that's 4% I risked. Now, I think I said this in one of my other videos. Now, my advice is, like, I'm not no financial advisor, but my advice is, because y'all my peoples, don't risk 2%. My advice is to risk 1%. That's the best thing to do, you know what I mean? And because I'm risking 2% because, I can afford to lose 2%. But if you're a complete like beginner to this stuff, to this training, well, you stick to your 1%, man. Trust me, you're gonna save so much. You cut your losses. So you stick to 1%, 1% a trade, and your maximum loss for the week is 3%. That's my advice in it. I personally, I'm a bit risky with it, but like I said, I'm on a trading journey, but I've been in this trading industry for quite a bit long, but I've started taking it serious this year, like fully serious, full time serious. Not last year I was in and out. If you look at my videos, I got some shorts there, but some profits and that. But right now this year I'm locking in. But yeah, anyway, boom. So I took this trade here off the imbalance. It shot up. Boom. Went straight up there. Hit my TP. Cashed out. Wow. That's a 6-1 there. 1,990 pips. Crazy. But anyway, US30 like my baby, man. That's my little queen. But yeah. Took that trade, banked out. Then Wednesday come. I took a trade up based off marked off the session candle right here. Let me just move this because it gets a bit too messy. I took that off right here at the top of this session candle. Now I This here right here would have been a perfect, lovely entry right here on the 50%. But I missed this entry here. So I took it over. So I took it over here. Yeah, I took it over here. That was the first trade. I'm gonna take it right here. Look. Boom. Even here, it nearly touched back at that 50% mark of that candle, and it shot up. Made another profit, and that is total. What's that? That's 1,000. That's 1,793 pips. You know. And if you look at my stop loss, my top loss are really small. Like on this channel, you know, on this trade, I just, you know what, I'm just gonna have a tight stop loss. That's just what usually I would have done, like a bit more, but I thought, nah, I'm gonna stick with a tight stop loss, you know. So I put that trade there, and the first trade I also risked another 4% on that trade as well. So it's been a good week. I can't really complain, man. Can't really complain. And if you look further, like I was explaining earlier, let's get that. One trade I'm really gutted about is this one here, though. I'll mark this one up. Okay, I think it's a 4-hour candle. No, it's not. 15-minute. Yeah, it's a 15-minute. I'll mark this 15 candle up. This was on the 23rd July. I'll mark this candle up, and it came back here on that Wednesday. I was like, okay, it was the same day it came back there. Okay. Yeah, so that I marked that I had that candle marked up, but I'm gutted that I didn't take this trade. I think I was watching the market while it came back down there, and that's when I found that 5-minute imbalance. I said, nah, I missed this one. And then I jumped in on a 5-minute imbalance trade instead. But yeah, that one here, I was a bit hesitant, I can't lie. I was thinking, I wasn't too sure. You know, my market ain't open it yet. It ain't open yet, you know. I said, I don't know, man. So I was a bit skeptical about that one. But yeah. And that's it. That's the 2 trades I took on US30 this week, and that's the only 2 trades That's the only 2 trades that I took this week. As you probably starting to notice, there's a common theme right now. Like, US30, that's my queen. That's my bae. Like, I love US30. I love this pair. So I mostly it's the only pair I trade, because right now for me it's the only trade that's really successful to me. So I'm gonna stick to it. Now when it goes into gold now, I'm trying to have gold in there. I'm trying to bring gold in. I've not had success with gold, to be fair, but when I mark up things, you know, it's playing into my analysis and playing into my setup. So like here, I had this. This wasn't a trade I took, but I just had this marked up. So I had this marked up here, and I just wanted to see what it does. And then look, if I took this trade, look, it would have been 8,502 pips. That would have banked. Clean setup. That was a clean setup. So gold is a pair that I'm just analyzing it. I'm paper trading it. Let's just say that. I'm paper trading it right now, because in the past, I think last year when I was trying to trade gold, nah, mate, me and gold's enemies, mate. Every single time I was trying to make a trade, it would just tap me out. You enter the trade, it reverses. Yeah, it's just it hit your stop loss. Like for example, like you go for a buy, boom, it's a sell. You go for a sell, it's a buy. I'm like, huh? What's going on here? I said, nah. I brushed gold off, put it to the side, and then now this year I'm like, nah, man, like, you know what I mean? I don't like. One thing about my personality is I don't like giving up, and I can't give up. It's not an option to give up. You know what I mean? I don't like being defeated. I don't like that. That's just me as a man. So I said, nah, man. Came back, reevaluated, got to the drawing board. So now I'm just paper trading to see what I want, see if I can master this one and see what's good. Yeah, man. Yeah. I do still feel like US30 is gonna push up a bit more. Ideally, I would like it to take out these highs here. I think it's gonna push up and take this out here. We see what happens in it. Ooh, interesting. Yeah, I think it's gonna push up and take out these highs. We might see an old time. We might see a new old time soon. Old time high soon. Yeah, I'm quite bullish on US30 right now. So that's the reason for my trades as well. My buyers. It's not like my overall buyers on US30 is. It's like bullish, but I'm talking like in my trades. But all my buyers, I just find the zones. I just feel like it's gonna push up. It matches my analysis, you know. And I use other stuff to verify that everything's going in the right direction. I just take the trade. You know what I mean? Like even like here, look at BTC. Now I did put this in one of my other videos. I had a sell here. That sell went up. But this sell here, I think it was last week, I was in a sell here. It came back up. I wanted it to push further down. But it didn't. But then it tapped. I took majority of my profit out and had a runner on, but you know, and then the runner on hit break even, calm. You know what I mean? It's alright, not too bad. But it hit this zone again. See, hit this imbalance zone again, come back down. I could have, but I didn't trade. I didn't take any more trades. Couldn't come down. Now consolidating, coming back up here. See that sniper entry right there? See it there? Right there. Look at that. It just tapped the gold line and went back down. You know what I'm trying to say? So now, right now, I'm thinking about Bitcoin. I would like for it to come back in this area. Then maybe I can be looking at a sell. Maybe I can be looking at a sell. We seeing it. It would nice. I would like for it to come back. I would like for it to come into this area and then look for a sell. Because even look here. Look at this. I had this marked up already. It's already, it hit this. Because it took all these lows here. All these lows around here. Collected enough money right here. And now it's going to come back up. So I would like it to come back up. And then push further down. I got another area here that's marked. What's that? That's 108. That's 108k. Ideally, that's what I feel like. I feel like Bitcoin right now is gonna come down. So I feel like it might come back down here, maybe shoot up, clean up, because it's got a lot of liquidity to grab. Like it's got grab liquidity here, liquidity there, liquidity there. So it might just be on a liquidity grabbing thing. But we see what happens in there. But yeah, man, listen, it's been your boy. Hold on, before I even check out, guys, let me know in the comments what pairs you're trading and what pairs would you like me to maybe make a breakdown of, to, or if you want me to look if I can find something, find your sell, find your buy position in it. Let me know in the comments, man. Trust me, like, interact with your boy, man. I'm here, man. It's a bit different type of trading style, but listen, I'm here, innit? I'm me, innit? That's one thing about me. I'm me, innit? I'm myself, so it don't matter. But anyway, listen, it's been your boy, Willzwick, Mr. Wickemore. No gimmicks, just growth. All of that. Have a blessed weekend. And make sure you prepare for the week ahead, for the trades ahead that's coming around here. Yeah, man. Peace.